Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of oil pulling. You may or may not have heard about this, but oil pulling is simply swishing oil around in your mouth. So it's an amazing natural remedy for so many different things. It has so many benefits, from heart health to boosting the immune system to detoxifying the body to freshening the breath and pulling bacteria from the mouth. It's wonderful for the teeth and the gums. It can also help to reduce tooth decay, decrease tooth sensitivity. This is something that I have personally seen in my life. It's been amazing for that. I'm just on and off, I'll get some tooth sensitivity. So oil pulling is a wonderful natural remedy that actually works for that. It can also help pull mucus from the sinuses and from the upper respiratory tract. So if you have any sort of sore throat, ear infection, sinus infection, anything like that, oil pulling is going to help to give you some relief, and it's also going to help to shorten the duration of those illnesses that you may have. So it's wonderful also for receding gums. So if you have receding gums, but you still want your teeth really clean, but brushing is really hard on them, try oil pulling, because it's a fabulous alternative that is going to actually help to remineralize and help to strengthen the gums. Okay, here are my top tips for oil pulling, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing is to floss before. Some people say that oil pulling takes the place of flossing, but for me, I love to floss beforehand because then I feel like the oil can really get underneath my gums and in between my teeth, and my teeth just feel much cleaner. The next thing is to use coconut oil. There are a number of different oils that you can use. I've tried olive oil, but it makes my throat feel really dry and I just don't like it. It doesn't taste as good. Coconut oil is perfect because it tastes good, and it can help to remineralize the teeth. So the next thing is to work your way up to 20 minutes. So even if you do 5, it's still going to benefit you, but if you can do the full 20, you're going to see the most benefit from that. I wouldn't recommend just doing it and doing nothing. I think you should find something to do. So put some oil in your mouth and then go do the dishes or pull weeds or jump in the shower or whatever you need to do so that you can pass the time so that you're not bored to death. The next thing is to not swallow the oil. This is very important. So because the oil is pulling bacteria and toxins and germs out of our mouths, we don't want to be swallowing that because then our bodies are going to have to process that. So that's one reason that oil pulling can detox the body, because it's just making it easier on your digestive tract, and you're not going to have to eliminate as much because you're pulling it out of your teeth so that your body doesn't have to deal with it. Okay, the next thing is make sure that you spit it in the trash and not the sink. This can clog your sink. Make sure you spit it either in a paper towel and then like in a bagged trash can is the best, and not down the sink. The next thing is to rinse with comfortably hot water. So as coconut oil, if it's cold, then it hardens. So if you swish with warm or hot water, then it's just going to help to really clean the teeth better and pull it out of your mouth. You can brush afterward. I think that helps. I like to do that. Another thing is to oil pull 3 to 6 times a week. I like to do it whenever I think about it. You know, if you work out once a week, you're going to see a little bit of results. The more you do it, the more, the better results you're going to see. So oil pull frequently, and your jaw's going to get used to it. The first few times you do it, your jaw might feel sore. You might feel like, oh, this is a pain. But keep doing it. Work your way up to those 20 minutes, and you're going to find that it gets easier and that your jaw's going to get stronger. And really, it's not going to be like that much of a pain. It's just going to be normal, and you'll forget that you're even doing it. And then your time will be done. The next thing is to use oils. Peppermint oil and clove essential oil are my favorite, and I buy USDA organic oils. I think those are the best. They're the most pure, and oils are really unregulated here in the United States. So it's best to get either therapeutic grade or USDA organic oils. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it. I use this. We go through so much coconut oil, so this is what I get from Costco. Great deal right there. And I'm just going to use like a tablespoon or so. Let's see. Sorry for my camera work here. I'm going to put it in my mouth. It's going to take a minute to, warm up in my mouth. And then I'm going to swish for 20 minutes. So here we go.